How to transfer money with Commonwealth Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can transfer money with Commonwealth Bank. So to do that, first of all, open the Commonwealth Bank app on your mobile device. And once you've done that, simply log into your account. Now, once you've logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where in order to transfer money, you'll have to basically tap on the pay option, which is on the bottom corner of your screen. Now it'll provide you all of these different options right over here, such as cardless withdrawal, deposit, transfer between accounts, pay someone, BPAY, and international money transfer. So it depends on whether you want to send your money either from one account to your other account. You can simply do so by tapping the option transfer between accounts, select the account from which you want to transfer and to which account you want to transfer, enter the description, and then enter the amount. Once you've done that, tap on the option transfer and you will be able to transfer between your accounts. Now, if you want to pay someone, you can do so by pay them either by using their bank account details, your PayID details, or your BPAY details. And if you don't have your recipient over here, simply tap on the plus icon on the top right corner of your screen. And then you can add a new PayID or a bank account or a BPAY contact. Now, once you've done that, simply tap on the person you'd like to send and then enter the amount. And once you type in the description, tap on the option next, you will have successfully sent them money. And the same goes for BPay as well. And finally, if you want to transfer money internationally, tap on this option, enter your 4-digit PIN, and then it will take you to a web browser where from there you can transfer money internationally. So that is basically how you transfer money with Commonwealth Bank. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.